Grace? Grace? Are you okay?
Yeah. How about you? You okay?
Here, I kept this safe for you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Hey, Emily, do you maybe want to leave with me? It's not safe here.
Okay.
Good. That's good.
So thanks for everybody coming back to watch the video. We're gonna put Emily down here and we gotta go get the last piece because we didn't get it last time we were here. But we do got the 2 other pieces now. So we're gonna get the other one out of the lockup or the box here. Put up a knife and get the other one out and put them both in the door. We got stuff we don't need to use yet. We got 2 Requiem bullets still. We're still picking up from where we left off last episode where we almost got our leg cut off, but we luckily didn't. That's a good thing. So objective is to get these 2 pieces, 3 pieces in this. 1 in the moon. We gotta go get the sun now.
Perfect fit. Only one left.
Yep. And it's on the east side. What's it? Yeah, the east side one. Well, I am going to go back and grab that hand that she got cut off. And she grabbed my leg and try to yank my foot under there to get cut off. So we're going to grab that before we move on. Because you got to use that for the puzzle too. Let's see if there's anything else to grab down here. Because I don't think we have to commit this for yet. Here we go. Here's the hand we forgot to get when we got right past it. That's the hand she grabbed us with. She's not getting that one back. She probably regrowed another one by now anyways. It's lucky you get a chance to regrow your limbs. But first thing first, we got wrong way. It's that one right here. Here we go. Now we're going the right way. That's where we go. That's where we got. Sounds like there's some zombies alive. I thought Leon took them all out after we bit through him with him. I don't know. We'll see as we go on. Up, he's gone. Up some blood. Take that with us. I don't think there's much left of her. I saw some videos of the game and I have seen the end of it mostly, but I did not finish myself yet. Because the videos is not done yet. We can't go back that way. I guess we don't have the bracelet anymore. I thought we were like locked out, but no, I was going the wrong way. It's this way. Why does it sound like there's still a zombie around here? What's going on? It's upstairs here. Okay. It's the thing we need is in that room right there. Did we miss that sign behind it? I saw a thing in prompt for a sign we just passed. That's the thing we're trying to get off right here. I don't have it with me. That Mark Top Cocktail won't do it. But there's supposed to be like a little cutscene in here if we I did guys done it soon enough. There's supposed to be a cutscene that gets you and the main band guy supposed to talk together, Grace and him. I saw videos of on YouTube and stuff, but I never got in this game. So if I ever play the game a little bit more, I might show it to you in like a short or something. But yeah, this is the room with that screaming lady, the musical lady. We don't need the blood. And where we need to grab is right on the table right here. We just completely did grab it all. That's a note we probably missed too. Let you guys read that note. There we go. And the only thing we can do now is go back and get that piece we didn't get yet. Then we have to grab Emily and run out here. Finally be free of this place. Come on. That big chunk guy broke all these walls and stuff. Do that quick save here. I was kind of hoping that cutscene would happen, but I guess not. Yeah, we already looked at this. I think it's like a store sun. I'm still trying to figure out the puzzle. It was like moon, sun. I think that's the sun. So we're going to use our thing to open this up. Take all the acid off it. Melt the lock. Okay, so I think it's store, sun, moon. Nope, the sun at the end, I think. Yep. Let's see if we do it again. Store, sun, moon, sun. There we go. There we have the piece we need for the door and for a little notebook. To hand the combination for that thing I'd kind of looked up before you should have got. This is where you get that combination at. And we got the note here. That you go through that. We're going to go through that. So now we're going to go get Emily and stick the piece in the door to get out of here finally. Do a quick save case so the surprise is on the way down. You know, that would have been a good thing to do if they want to suck like a little extra zombie or something in here. I don't think they do. If we clear it all out of Leon or Grace, it'd be an empty area, the whole place after we get back here. So it'd be a good thing actually to explore and get the stuff you missed. Besides the places you did catch. Miss this one. Gun ammo. It's always good to stock up. Oh, that doesn't sound good. At least you get out here. I'm going to grab Grace. And not Grace. I am playing Grace. Emily. Grab the little girl here. Go back. Come on. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's leave. Not that way. What the heck we're doing? Up the stairs. Right, there we go. I had to get my surroundings. Like, where am I at? There we go. There we go. Anything else? I can put that book up. I might go do that before I actually walk out. Have more space in case I need it. I'm not putting her down because I don't need to do that. I didn't realize they had that book on me anyway, so I thought they put it like in the files. Whatever. But I can put the Yeah, that up and the hand up. So I got 3 spots now. What's it for? What up? What up? We have enough. We have some empty spaces in the thing. What am I doing? I don't need to go that way. Yeah, forget something. No, I guess. No, I did. I just need to go out. And for leaving the area, you get an achievement.
Finally. We made it. We did it.
Yep, we're finally free.
Emily? Are you alright? Emily?
I don't know.
Well, let's just... we need to keep moving, okay? Emily?
Okay.
So I think we picked up like another antique coin, which I don't know what we need to use that for. I got everything I need inside the building. I don't know what they give you an extra one for. But she's okay. She's kind of like scared to leave, which she's probably just used to being in that room all her life.
Oh my god.
Yes, a helicopter. I was like, what are you seeing? What's going on? But she's so excited she saw a helicopter. I'm gonna check if there's anything I need to grab here. I don't see nothing yet. There might be a herb laying around. Oh, there's a door here. It's locked. Emily's probably like, what the heck are you doing? Take us to the helicopter. Well, she can't see it anyways, but why are you taking us to walking around like nothing happening? Okay, go mate. Yeah, we got 2 of them to stack up. That's good. So we got some health for us later. There might be a cutscene right here.
Hey! Stay right there!
Hey, it's okay. We're not infected.
So you're normal?
I think so.
Thank fuck. Those things still running around.
Who are you?
You don't need to worry about me.
I'm tired. I know.
That your kid?
What's...
This? Old war wound. I can't run away even if I wanted to.
Can you fly this?
Sure can. My bastard boss took the key. You know, I could fly us all out of here. If you go get it for me. It's in there. I'd go myself, but I can't outrun those things, not with this leg.
Are you lying to me?
What? Have you seen the same shit I've seen? Look, lady, we're out of options here. How much longer do you think any of us can survive?
Can I go back to my room now? It's not safe.
Hey, we can help each other. I'll protect her. If you get the key, I'll keep her safe. I promise.
It's a deal. Come on. I got you. Ready? No. Come on. Gotta strap you in. Oh, I'm Grace, by the way. This is Emily.
Harry.
Thank you, Harry.
No problem.
I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the big thing we gotta do now is get the keys for the helicopter. Okay. Here's a note right here. Okay. The next thing, this is supposed to be that guy that kidnapped her and Leon at one time. This is like his main office. It's one of his offices. He has a few of them, I guess. Because Leon was captured in one of his offices. And I went to his computer. Oh, here's a... In case he want to get something out of the box. Which I don't need to get anything out of. I guess I could restock my blood. There we go. Anything else? I don't think so. We'll be fine. Not much is going to happen up here, I hope. Ooh, look at this nice room.
Please, just let it be in here.
It's not for that lucky. There's a globe. Sounds like something activated after you picked it up. Nothing. Just take that back. Look at his clock, his statue. That's his there's other people that worked at this place. When it was founded. And a trophy thing. Nothing in it. It's like displays of things. Don't really know what to look for yet. The only thing that's left to do is look in here still. There's a file on the table, it looks like. There's that pedestal in the middle. There's an hourglass. I can loosen it up. On both sides, it looks like. Okay, I took the hourglass for some reason. I don't even know what it's used for. There's another file you can read. Okay, I still haven't found what I'm supposed to be looking for. I thought it sounded like this is activating something after you pick it up. That's why I thought you had to go back to it, but it's not. Okay, so what else we gotta do in here? There's this thing. Looks like oh. Okay, we gotta stick something there. And oh, here's the bottle. It says we gotta activate. I'll mess with that. Chessboard. Can't touch that. Let's just grab this then. Oh, he can move the top around. Gotta match it up. There we go. Good. There we go. Close enough. And it releases something. We gotta pull it. Ooh. It makes like a DNA thing. And I guess we stick that right here. Yep. We're not examining it. We gotta stick in there. I don't know what we took the hourglass for. I still don't know from as far as I am now. You don't need to look at this thing, stick in there. There we go. Ready, just in case. Yep. I think that'd be pretty cool to have a room that goes down to like another basement room. You gotta make sure the thing's not touching the edges that go down. Oh, there we are. And that's a room over here we gotta check out now. Couch, TV, papers, desk. The office downstairs. It goes further down now. Oh, we can save here. That's locked from the other side. There's some note here. I'll let you guys read that. Okay, so we got that note read. Go do a quick save here. And we're back. This is probably when I had to come. I'll play it again after I got back from work. Oh yeah. I got confused where I had to go to. Yep. Going downstairs here now. Get my gun ready. Hopefully load it up. Let's see what's in here.
What the hell?
Yeah, this doesn't look like a good place to be. There's a drawer here. Nothing. Anything else I need to grab? I'm not grabbed them yet. That looks nice. It's experimenting on these people. Oh, we can grab this. Look at it. Just look at it. Anything else around here? Oh, we can't open them yet. Or at all. I'm just glad it's nothing happening yet. Here's a note we can read. We're going to keep moving on here. I think we go back up the stairs here. I don't think that door has anything. We're going to check it. That's a map we get. Update on map. Let's see how that is. Yep, we just go up the stairs. It looks like there's no way to go through that door yet. There's a raccoon we could get to, it looks like. Swing my knife for no reason at all. Is there anything over here? Oh, there's a drawer we didn't check yet. And it has some more healing item. So that we have 3 now. I think it's 4 now, it says. So you can only have 3 stacked again at one time, it looks like. But you can carry more than that, it looks like. But you can't have more than 3 stacked, it's saying, because it's green. Anything? Anything at all? Oh, somebody took one of them out. A lot of blood here. Okay. I'm not seeing anything here yet. I guess we're going to move on to the next area. That door looks suspicious how they have it open. Anything here? Oh, here's another note to read. We're going to go on through this area right here, see what's over here. Oh, you hear that raccoon? We're going to get it now. Yeah, stop making that damn noise. We're going to explore the room before we check the computer. That's just locked. So we can't do that. I guess we used the computer anyways. I don't see anything else in here. Besides a lot of blood and a PC over here. Here we go. Oh, we got the key. I thought we were going to use the key on the thing. But we all using the computer. Never mind. We unlocked the door. See if somebody's going to come out after us. Oh,
yes, Zeno, that's correct. All tests have come back positive. I can confirm that she is indeed the one that we've been searching for. If all goes as planned, Elpis will soon be in our hands. Of course. But first I must initiate the protocol. I've done it. I've done it. I've done it.
The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff will be evacuated. The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff will be evacuated. The self-destruct protocol has been initiated. All staff destruct protocol has been initiated. Unlocking disposal tanks. All personnel dispose of specimens and evacuate immediately.
So we're supposed to set the self-destruct thing, but it's no timer. That's a good thing. We're going to grab this, and we're going to use it against some guys that's playing. So it does make it flow like the one that trajectory just done. Yep, that's it. Come on, you got some too? Come get. Yeah. Okay, good. There's another one. You got some too? Take some display. You too? I guess he's not doing some. We've got 14 left. You gotta get moving. That's not looking that good.
Damn
Grab
it.
this one right here.
Please work.
It's been working. I don't know what's good. It's good. It's been working. So I don't know what it's doing. Come on, come on. One at a time. Good. Get it over. Like that. There you go. Good, good, yeah. We're going to keep moving on. You got some soup? Squeeze it in. Come on. No, that's good, yeah. That's good stuff. There you go. I'm going to grab this just to be safe. So, more guys stuff. More guys stuff. Yeah. Good. Move it on. We're safe now. Safe we can be.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, this is not good at all.
Oh my god!
Yeah, let's play this so good, huh? Don't be changed, go run. Don't stop the tennis, man. Didn't see the run that fast at all. Yeah, throw this out. Yeah. I look like you want to do all that for that. It's not good at all. Like, I wouldn't want to. Nice to go get a second or two in there. That's what you take, no slice. He's walking the stairway of blood.
Help! Help!
I don't know what's really unhelpful. They might hear look at the song itself. But you know, the good thing about this, I didn't have to use a single ammo. That's fast by that damn thing. I didn't move fast enough at all. But they're fine. Okay, gotta go up the steps now. Anything down here before I go? Yeah. We're gonna move on out now.
Why does this shit keep happening?
That's in a video game? I don't know. I hope this never happened in a real life thing. It's kind of creepy. I think I'm ready to get out here. There's nothing here. Okay, what's out here for me now?
Oh, I made it. Okay. I'm coming with me.
We're going to get back in right now. Stay away from me. We don't need to go here. Come out. There's probably one bug right here. Grab it, too. That's good. Things in there. But I need my knife back. Now push you down. Take you out and make me waste ammo on you guys. How dare you? Oh, this guy behind me sounds like. Nope. Go get my knife back. Make sure, double tap. And the only thing I can do is go through this window, it looks like. But did I miss something? I got a feeling there's something over here I could grab. Yep, a herb. Okay, look for it. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, guy left behind. Oh, just give him a shot in the head. Okay, we done good. Anything in this building I need to get? No, this is where I just came from, isn't it? No, I'm fine. I don't think I need anything out of that. Nope. No, I think we're fine. I can put out the hourglass. Because I don't know what the hell that's used for. And the stone, that thing too, I don't know what that's used for either. Okay, we're fine. Yep. Only thing we can do now is go to the helicopter. Get to the chopper! Let's head on to it. Okay, find out cussing.
You get it?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my god.
What the fuck did you do?
Grace? Grace, what's happening? It's okay, Emily. I'm here. Emily, it's gonna get a little bumpy. I'm right next to you.
No, lady, I'm gonna need you up front.
No, it's okay. I'm all right.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, there are so many of them.
Strap in.
Oh, come on!
What's it look like I'm doing? No shit! Hold tight, I'm taking off! Get off me! Get the fuck off me!
Emily, are you okay? Oh, Emily.
That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching it. Bye. Hope you all enjoyed. If you want me to do anything different, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.